Are you guys looking to increase the resolution of your videos? For that, you'll need a good video converter, which is not easy to find. Don't worry, I've done the hard work for you, so you don't have to waste your time and money. The website name is VideoProc Converter AI. This software has a ton of features and we'll explore some of those cool features, so stick till the end of this video. Just head up to VideoProc Converter AI and click the first link. This will take you to the latest version of the software. VideoProc Converter AI has a lot of features that we will discuss. You can just try the free version or just buy the full license. Personally, if you ask me, I'll buy the full license because I'm a content creator. And VideoProc is an awesome software for creators who want to enhance low-resolution videos and restore images. Firstly, we'll try out the upscaler feature from VideoProc Converter AI. Now we will use VideoProc Converter AI to convert the resolution of this video. As you can see, the quality is very bad, and let's find out how VideoProc Converter AI fixes this. So this is the interface of VideoProc Converter AI. Here are various AI features that you can try out. There are also other video-related features, but firstly we'll try out the super resolution mode to increase the quality of our video. After uploading the video, VideoProc Converter AI will start generating a more detailed image by itself. As you can see, the quality has already been enhanced, but we will enhance it even more. After that, we'll choose the device and the AI model. I'll go with Gen Detail V3. Then I'll select the scale to 4K quality. Now we'll select the export settings for our video. Here you can also select the output location and click on Run. Here you can see the remaining time of your video. Here you can see the before and after. As you can see, the difference is quite noticeable. The skin of the anime character is also made very smooth, and the video looks more bright and in a higher quality. Now we'll restore this old image using VideoProc Converter AI. As you can see, there is a lot of noise in this image, so let's fix that. Firstly, we'll head up to the Image AI tab and select the AI model to Gen Detail V3, and then we'll select the scale, and after that we'll select the export settings and we'll import the image. After importing the image, just hit Run and export the upscaled image. As you can see, this old image has been restored and the noise has also been removed. Now we'll try out the noise reduction features from VideoProc Converter AI. As you can see, the noise in this photo is too much and the quality is also not good. Now we'll jump back to VideoProc Converter AI and click on Image AI. After that, we'll select the AI model to Real Smooth V3 and the scale to 4x, and after that we'll upload the image. After uploading the image, the upscaling will start automatically. You can also compare the difference. Now just select the output format to JPEG and select the quality to 100% and select the output folder and finally click on Run. As you can see that the difference is massive, as not only the noise is eliminated, the image has been upscaled. Not only this, there are a ton of features like video converter and screen recorder that you can check out. So you can check out VideoProc Converter AI through the link in description.